Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Acer monitor no sound. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to your Windows icon right here, which will basically look something like this. Now inside this page, you want to make sure that this options is enabled. First things first is our sound bar. You want to turn this into something like 30%, 50%, or even a 100. And if you click on this specific button right here, it will then show you the audio output. So you want to make sure that you have selected your Acer monitor. So in my case, I have the 24E3 model right here. So I'll just click on it, and from there, it will then output my audio into the specific monitor. Now, if still there's no sound, what you can do next is to make sure that the sound is not muted on the OSD settings of your monitor. Now, what is an OSD setting? Basically, that's the on-screen display settings. You can do that by navigating through your OSD controls, mostly on the back of your monitor, which will then look something like this. Most monitors have buttons that you can press, so you simply want to press on those buttons, and then we will be able to see the monitor controls right here. Just head over to the audio category and make sure that the audio is turned up, and same thing with the mute button. Make sure that it is set to off. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.